Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you unique boho interior design ideas and tips for how to decorate your home interior in Bohemian style. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Boho interior design is a fun and creative way to decorate your home. With its eclectic mix of colors, patterns, and textures, boho style is perfect for homeowners who want to show off their individuality and create a space that is both stylish and inviting. Boho interior design is a free-spirited and eclectic style that celebrates individuality and self-expression. It is characterized by a mix of vibrant colors, patterns, and textures, as well as a focus on natural materials and organic forms. Boho style is often inspired by different cultures and traditions from around the world, and it is all about creating a space that is both comfortable and stylish. In this video, we'll explore the meaning of boho interior design, boho colors, the rules of boho design, and how to decorate your home interior in boho style. We'll also share a list of 8 best boho interior design ideas to get you started. What boho colors for interior design? Boho color palettes are typically bright and bold, with a mix of warm and cool tones. Some popular boho colors include 1. Jewel tones, emerald green, sapphire blue, ruby red. 2. Earthy tones, rust, terracotta, mustard yellow. 3. Muted tones, blush pink, sage green, light gray. 4. Metallic accents, gold, silver, copper. What the rules of boho design? There are no hard and fast rules when it comes to boho design, but there are a few general guidelines that you can follow. First, mix and match colors, patterns, and textures. Second, don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and influences. Third, focus on creating a space that is comfortable and inviting. Fourth, use natural materials and organic forms whenever possible. Fifth, add personal touches to your space to reflect your individuality. How to decorate your home interior in boho style. If you're interested in decorating your home interior in boho style, here are a few tips to get you started. First, start with a neutral base. This will help to ground your space and make it easier to mix and match different colors and patterns. Second, add layers of color and texture. This can be done through rugs, pillows, throws, artwork, and other accessories. Third, don't be afraid to mix and match different styles. Boho style is all about creating a space that is unique and personal to you. Fourth, incorporate natural materials and organic forms. This can be done through wood furniture, wicker baskets, rattan accents, and live plants. Fifth, add personal touches to your space. This could include displaying family photos, souvenirs from your travels, or artwork that you love. And to complete your inspiration, here is a list of 8 best boho interior design ideas to get you started. 1. Layer a variety of rugs. One of the easiest ways to add boho flair to your space is to layer a variety of rugs. Try mixing and matching different colors, patterns, and textures to create a unique and inviting look. 2. Add throw pillows and blankets. Throw pillows and blankets are another great way to add color, pattern, and texture to your space. Choose pillows and blankets in a variety of colors and patterns, and don't be afraid to mix and match. 3. Hang macrame wall hangings. Macrame wall hangings are a beautiful and bohemian way to add visual interest to your walls. There are many different macrame wall hangings available, so you can find one that perfectly suits your style. 4. Display plants. Plants are a great way to add life and freshness to your space. Choose plants in a variety of sizes and shapes, and place them throughout your home. 5. Incorporate vintage and antique furniture. Vintage and antique furniture can add a touch of character and charm to your boho space. If you're on a budget, check out flea markets and thrift stores for unique and affordable vintage finds. 6. Add personal touches. Don't forget to add personal touches to your space to make it truly your own. This could include displaying family photos, souvenirs from your travels, or artwork that you love. 7. Create a cozy reading nook. A cozy reading nook is the perfect place to relax and unwind. Create one by placing a comfortable chair in a corner of your home, adding a soft rug, and stacking some books and magazines nearby. 8. Set up a meditation space. If you're looking for a way to create a more peaceful and serene space in your home, consider setting up a meditation space. This could be as simple as placing a yoga mat. Boho interior design is a great way to create a space that is both stylish and inviting. With its mix of vibrant colors, patterns, and textures, boho style is perfect for homeowners who want to show off their individuality and create a space that truly reflects their personality. If you're interested in decorating your home interior in boho style, start by gathering some inspiration. Look through magazines, browse online, and visit home decor stores to get ideas for colors, patterns, and textures that you like. Once you have a good idea of what you want, start collecting pieces that you love. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and influences to create a space that is unique to you. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of unique boho interior design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.